Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share with you legal facts जो कि mostly legal exams में पूछे जाते हैं. It's kind of revision before any legal competitive exam and it's in question answer form. My first question is कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कौन से आर्टिकल के अंदर हम फंडामेंटल राइट्स को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एनफोर्स करवा सकते हैं. सो इट्स आर्टिकल 32 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. In which article we enforce our fundamental right in High Court? It's Article 226 of Constitution of India. My third question is, in which act we can arrest and charge bouquets? Bouquets mean sattebaji. Indian Penal Code, Indian Telegraph Act, Anti-Gambling Act, Information Technology Act are used to be arrest and charge bouquets. क्या राइट टू वर्शिप एक फंडामेंटल राइट है? यस, राइट टू वर्शिप इज ए फंडामेंटल राइट. इमोरल ट्रैफिक प्रिवेंशन एक्ट 1956 किस चीज़ से डील करता है? ये डील करता है कोल गर्ल्स रैकेट से. विच कंट्री इज द 8th member ऑफ द सार्क? इट्स अफगानिस्तान. अफगानिस्तान इज द 8th member ऑफ द सार्क. सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्टेटेड द टर्म लाइफ imprisonment should be clarified as the whole of the remaining period of life of the convict natural life, not the 14 years or 20 years in the jail. तो लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट का मतलब है कि हमारी नेचुरल जितनी भी लाइफ बची है वो जेल में बीतेगी, ना कि 14 ईयर और 20 ईयर इन द जेल. इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करवाना एक स्टैट्यूटरी राइट है या फिर फंडामेंटल राइट? राइट टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन इज द स्टैट्यूटरी राइट, नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट. क्या जैन और सिख एक सेपरेट माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी है? नो, जैन एंड सिख आर नॉट सेपरेट माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी. क्या एक ऑफिशियल रिसीवर ऑफिसर होगा कोर्ट का? यस, एन ऑफिशियल रिसीवर इज एन ऑफिसर ऑफ द कोर्ट. हु इज द लॉन्गेस्ट टेन्योर चीफ जस्टिस टिल डेट? इट्स एक्स चीफ जस्टिस Y.V. Chandrachud from Feb 1978 to July 11, 1985. क्या एक हस्बैंड एलिजिबल होगा मेंटेनेंस के लिए हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट के अंडर? यस, हस्बैंड इज ऑल्सो एलिजिबल फॉर द मेंटेनेंस अंडर हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955. क्या स्कूल्स में सेक्स एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करवाना एक फंडामेंटल राइट है? No, sex education is not the fundamental right. Which country hosts the International Environment Leadership in UN Climate Change Conference in Montreal? It's Canada. Canada hosts the International Environment Leadership in UN Climate Change Conference in Montreal. Who is the surety? Surety is the person who gives the guarantee. क्या एक माइनर एग्रीमेंट के लिए एलिजिबल है? No. A minor agreement is void ab initio and cannot be enforceable by law. Protection against arrest and detention includes, इसके अंदर include है right to consult and to be defended by the lawyer of the accused his own choice. क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किसी भी जज को imprisonment दी है? Yes. In a first Supreme Court jails a judge gives 6-month prison term to the Justice Karnan. After the 17 years roller coaster ride, goods and service tax launched and implemented in India on 1st July 2017. Who is the 15th President of India? Draupadi Murmu is the Indian 15th President. Supreme Court rules right to privacy as a fundamental right. Who is the first woman judge of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court? Justice Sindhu Sharma was appointed as the first woman judge of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. Justice Dalveer Bhandari, Indian nominee, was re-elected for a second term on 20th November 2017 after UK nominee Christopher Greenwood withdrew his nomination in International Court of Justice. Who is the chairperson of National Commission for Women? Rekha Sharma, a member of National Commission for Women, has been appointed as the chairperson of National Commission for Women. क्या पासपोर्ट बनवाने के लिए बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट अब भी जरूरी है? नो, birth certificate not needed for the passport. The Ministry of External Affairs has done away with the mandatory requirement of birth certificate as a proof of date of birth when applying for a passport. क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अप्रूव किया है विटनेस प्रोटेक्शन स्कीम को? Yes, the Supreme Court approves the Witness Protection Scheme 2018 framed by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs in response to a PIL seeking protection of the witness. Who is appointed the chairperson of NHRC of India? Justice Arun Kumar Mishra has been appointed as the chairperson of NHRC of India. ट्रिपल तलाक कौन से एक्ट में पनिशेबल है? ट्रिपल तलाक by the Muslim husband is made invalid and punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years and fine under Muslim Women Protection of Right on Marriage Act 2019, in which section Supreme Court applied to consensual sex in private is unconstitutional. The Supreme Court held that Section 377 insofar as it applied to consensual sex in private is unconstitutional. क्या adultery punishable है? No, the Supreme Court struck down the unconstitutional the 158-year-old Section 497 of IPC that punished a married man for adultery if he had sexual relation with a married woman without the consent or connivance of her husband, but said adultery would continue to be the ground of divorce. क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एग्री किया है लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग को कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स की? Yes, the Supreme Court has agreed to live streaming of the court proceedings to bring in transparency and serves the public interest. Constitution of India 103rd Amendment Act 2019 provides for special provisions for admission to the educational institution for economically weaker sections of the citizens. Who is the 50th Chief Justice of India? Chief Justice Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud was sworn as the 50th Chief Justice of India. Who is the Attorney General of India? Venkatramani is a constitutional lawyer and senior advocate in the Supreme Court of India. He is currently serving as the Attorney General of India. He was appointed as a member of Law Commission of India. Who is the Solicitor General of India? Tushar Mehta is reappointed as the Solicitor General of India. Solicitor General is the second most senior lawyer after Attorney General. Senior Advocate Vikramjit Banerjee, K.M. Natraj, Balbir Singh, S.V. Raju, and Venkataramanna and Aishwarya Bhati are appointed as Additional Solicitor General of India. The National Green Tribunal has imposed as interim fine of rupees 50 crore on the LG Polymers, the South Korean firm which owns the chemical factory in Visakhapatnam. At least 11 people were killed and several others fell ill after sarin gas leaked from the plant recently. Who is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Chief Justice Harilal J. Kania. Who was the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Chief Election Commissioner of India was Sukumar Sen. Who was the first Attorney General of India? First Attorney General of India was M.C. Setward. Who was the first Solicitor General of India? First Solicitor General of India was C.K. Daftari. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.